Welcome back, beautiful souls. If money has felt out of reach, inconsistent, or tied to your sense of worth, this prayer is your reset. Today, we focus on healing the relationship between money and identity. Because until you believe you are safe to receive, no manifestation can fully land. These 108 Hopono money chants are completely unique. Each one is a soft rewiring of shame, fear, scarcity, guilt, and resistance. All so you can return to your natural state, which is abundance. Let's begin this gentle clearing. Close your eyes, take a breath, and speak these words with intention. I'm sorry, I made money means something about my worth. Please forgive me. I tied income to identity. Thank you for teaching me I am already enough. I love you. I receive money without conditions. I am sorry. I judge myself for not having more. Please forgive me. I believed I was behind. Thank you for showing me divine timing. I love you. I trust where I am and what's to come. I'm sorry. I saw my balance as my value. Please forgive me. I let numbers define me. Thank you for reminding me I am priceless. I love you. My value is eternal and untouchable. I'm sorry. I made money my identity. Please forgive me. I abandoned who I really am. Thank you for calling me back to truth. I love you. I am a soul, not a number. I am sorry. I punished myself for financial mistakes. Please forgive me. I carried shame too long. Thank you for helping me see the lesson, not the loss. I love you. I grow richer in wisdom every day. I am sorry. I resisted becoming wealthy. Please forgive me. I feared being misunderstood. Thank you for helping me rise with integrity. I love you. I prosper and remain grounded. I'm sorry. I thought I had to earn love with success. Please forgive me. I didn't know I was already worthy. Thank you for teaching me wealth is not approval. I love you. I attract money from wholeness. I'm sorry. I feared I would be resented if I received more. Please forgive me. I held myself back to belong. Thank you for helping me create new safe spaces. I love you. I rise and bring others with me. I am sorry. I spoke scarcity into my reality. Please forgive me. I didn't know words shape wealth. Thank you for helping me speak prosperity now. I love you. I choose words that call in abundance. I am sorry. I thought desiring more was selfish. Please forgive me. I learned lack as loyalty. Thank you for giving me permission to expand. I love you. My abundance blesses everyone around me. I am sorry. I expected struggle. Please forgive me. I believed suffering meant safety. Thank you for guiding me back to ease. I love you. I receive money with peace. I'm sorry. I believed saving meant scarcity. Please forgive me. I fear spending too. Thank you for teaching me financial abundance. I love you. I hold, spend, and share with joy. I'm sorry. I feared overflow would isolate me. Please forgive me. I rejected expansion. Thank you for reminding me I belong even in wealth. I love you. I am safe to shine. I am sorry I waited for permission to prosper. Please forgive me. I looked outward for approval. Thank you for returning me to inner authority. I love you. I give myself full permission to receive. I am sorry. I believe money would change who I am. Please forgive me. I feared losing my essence. Thank you for helping me stay true through wealth. I love you. I am both abundant and authentic. I am sorry. I feared judgment around success. Please forgive me. I stayed small to avoid it. Thank you for teaching me I can rise with grace. I love you. My success inspires, no threatens. I am sorry. I felt unsafe with prosperity. Please forgive me. I wasn't taught how to build more. Thank you for expanding my energetic containers. I love you. I hold wealth with peace and power. I am sorry. I rushed to prove my worth through income. Please forgive me. I forgot stillness creates too. Thank you for helping me embody wealth calmly. I love you. I allow divine income to flow in. I'm sorry. I feared the responsibility of abundance. Please forgive me. I saw wealth as a weight. Thank you for showing me it can be light. I love you. Money supports me, not burdens me. I am sorry. I limited what I could receive. Please forgive me. I believed too much wasn't allowed. Thank you for breaking the ceilings over my abundance. I love you. I receive in overflow now. I am sorry. I internalized fear from others' failures. Please forgive me. I didn't know it wasn't mine. Thank you for cutting the cords of lack. I love you. I stand in sovereign wealth. I am sorry. I doubted miracles. Please forgive me. I needed proof to believe. Thank you for shifting my heart into faith. I love you. I am open to unexpected financial blessings. I am sorry. I resisted divine income. Please forgive me. I didn't think it was real. Thank you for proving that ease is truth. I love you. I receive with softness and trust. I am sorry. I didn't believe I could be wealthy and loved. Please forgive me. I split abundance and connection. Thank you for integrating both. I love you. My wealth attracts soul aligned love. I am sorry. I question my ability to hold success. Please forgive me. I compared my path. Thank you for giving me strength and uniqueness. I love you. I thrive by design, not default. I am sorry. I feared being seen with money. Please forgive me. I was afraid of attention. Thank you for healing my relationship with visibility. I love you. I am magnet for blessings, not judgment. I am sorry. I didn't believe I was chosen for wealth. Please forgive me. I saw others as more worthy. Thank you for bringing me home to my calling. I love you. I receive wealth with purpose, peace, and power. Feel into this space you have just created. You have cleared decades, even generations of emotional clutter around money and work. You are no longer chase, you receive. You no longer shrink, you expand. Comment below. I receive with peace and purpose. Thank you for being here.